Okay. Okay. Here she goes.
I can't even video this.
She's gonna be exhausted tonight.
All right.
Oh, yeah, right. Right.
All right, Mace.
Oh, go ahead, fine. Oh, look at them sizes. Look at the sizes.
Bailey.
Side by side.
I want him to go out the other way. Bailey, come here. Come here. Good girl. You come here. Good girl. You playing? You gonna rub? You wanna rub as a good girl? Rub. Yeah, do rub. Show her how to rub.
Oh, Maisie, do that. Maisie, she's looking. What's she doing?
Bailey loves to rub.
Oh.
But you only do it when you tell her it's okay, you know? Like,
Oh.
she's aerating your lawn a little.
Oh. What about her? Okay.
If you take her in the lake, that's what she wants to do after, in the dirt.
Oh, yeah. Look at Maisie. What's she doing? She want water?
She might, but she might not.
No?
I don't have her
I get it from there.
Tupperware thing. She likes.
No, oh, certain dish?
She won't drink out of like a dog bowl, but she will a Tupperware thing.
Really?
That's what I keep in the truck.
Oh,
Look at-
oh, look at that.
Look at
That's the perfect
the game's on.
job.
You see? Watch. The game's on. Look.
Maisie, do that same thing. She's watching.
What's Maisie got hanging out of her mouth?
Oh, it's so cute.
Probably
Look at
a
them.
leaf.
Look at that.
Bailey,
So cute.
you stay here. Good girl.
Bailey walks and this one's running 100 miles an hour.
Yeah.
She almost got her. She tripped her up.
Hey, when Bailey's done.